G'day guys, Donny Sod Tip here, and today we're making a steak sandwich wrappy kind of thing. Alright, so we got a steak here, never wash again. Don't forget to watch the video, I'll put a link down below and you can check it out. Alright, so you got your plain steak here. But what I like to do first is you want a bit of salt, right? You want salt on it now, not later, you want it right now. Alright, so we come over here, look at the NutriBullet. Don't worry, we've got a video of that coming out shortly. Alright, so you want to put a lot of salt. You know, you don't want to be tight in it, it's cheap stuff. Now, another good hot tip, oh sorry about that guys, what I found out, is make sure, buy your salt fresh, right? Once your use-by date's gone, just buy new stuff, it tastes so much better. I didn't think so as well, but trust me, it makes a difference. Then you're just going to get your mixed herbs, right? It's nothing special. You mix that on there like so. You want a good amount like that, alright? And what I like to add a bit of rosemary or chicken salt or whatever and just sprinkle that on. I mean, just you can test with flavours and whatever you like, but just cover it like that. And do both sides. So, as you can see for the video, I've speeded up a little bit and I've covered both sides. Alright, now I'll bring you guys back over here to our beautiful pan. We've got some butter in there, it's nice and hot. She's ready to go. Alright, so you just want to mix your butter in like so and chuck her on. Right, now what I'm going to have with that, a bit of rice and salad and stuff, which I don't think you need to see me do. It's mostly this cooking part which you need to get right. I've got my egg, like so. Right, again, we'll just show you how to crack an egg with one hand, put a link down below, just to help you guys out and show you how it's done. But let's show you how it's done here in this video as well. So you want to crack it on the side of your pan here really hard, but we'll go up here so you can really watch how it's done. Okay, crack it nice and hard, right? Then you get your little thumb there like so, and you push it out, right? And that will just click off, and there you go. Alright, so we'll get them cooking. What I'm doing today is I'm just going to do just a chicken wrap with that sort of stuff, but I'm not doing salad today. I just feel that I don't really have time for salad, and didn't buy any tomatoes this week actually, being about, I think they're about $8 a kilo. I think at that price they're trying to leave me on. I mean, $8 a kilo, I mean, what's in it? Like, it's just a tomato, like, that's ridiculous. Alright, so we just got our wrap here, alright, we'll get one out. Just doing this behind the scenes while you guys just watch that cook. Alright, plonk her down. I've got out the wrapper. I can show you guys that. And there she is. At least it's healthy. It's brown bread. I'll wrap it all up. I'll cut the chicken up nicely. We'll cut the egg up. And I'll probably do a little bit of onion. I've got a bit of spring onion here, which I can show you guys what we're going to do with that. It's only about $2 and you get a big bunch. So what I'm going to do is, you don't even need to get a chopping board. You just whack it down. Alright? All you need is a quick knife. I'll bring you guys back over here while we just wait for that to cook. We'll put both in the shot there so you can just have a bit of a look at two things, you know. All I like to do with this is just cut the end off. Obviously you can't eat that, alright? And what I normally do is I peel that side off. I peel that side, right? You just want the two. You can sort of peel that off and whack all these off. I'll go on to show. You can use this. You can definitely use this stuff, but we only want this bit, okay. What I would normally do is just cut that pretty fine, just into pieces like so. Alright, it don't have to be, you know, small chunks. We're trying to get healthy, so if we can, you know, get all that down, that'd be good. Now, with this pan, we want it on a medium heat. Now, depending on how you like your steak. I like my steak medium to well. Some of you guys might like it differently. One thing which we didn't prepare, but that's alright, we just need to get a quick flipper. I think that's probably ready there. I mean, some people might think it's an overkill, some people might think it's an underkill, but for me, that's about right. Alright, then you want to just smooth that out. Smooth that out there like so. Because obviously you're making it into a wrap. Now, I'll probably get some cheese as well. Not very much of a big cheese either, but, you know, I think it's supposed to be good for you, but, you know, you hear different things with different people. I like to get in the block, right? Once again, do we really need a chopping board? Do we, we just, yeah, cut a bit up. Cut a bit up like so. Whack that down. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Alright, then what I like to do, get my hands, I don't know how clean, and just rip into pieces like so, right? Because you don't want to have it in the big chunks, but you just rip it up there like so. There we go. Never wash again. Never wash. Right, then what I'll do at this stage is we'll crank her up a bit more. That's getting close already. Not quite yet. I reckon she'll just take roughly another minute. So what I like to do is keep it in this nice container, your cheese, keep it nice and fresh. Pop the lid on, and just to make it a bit nicer for myself, a bit of Christmassy. I know it's not Christmas, but it makes it a lot nicer, doesn't it? There we go. So, and then I put that back in the fridge, get my cheese for the week, plonk her in, lid on, you know what I mean? And sometimes, so, for example, if that cheese, obviously, you need to, when you get your cheese, just cut it, into half or whatever, and just sort of stack it in there. You can even stack it like little shelves I normally do, but that's all we've got left for the moment. Plonk the lid on, whack her in the fridge. Alright, so as you can hear, that's sizzling away. That's pretty much ready. Now what I like to do, a little trick with my egg, once it gets to this stage, I like to just flip it over. I like it sunny side up, but I don't like it all wet and yucky, so I'll flip it over. Like that. Now that's ready, that steak. What I would normally do, just get that on your wrap, right? Now, it's nuts again. Is there need to get a chopping board? So what I'll probably get a fork, it's a bit hot. A bit nice and hot there. Alright, and then we'll just cut that in half, alright? So it's on a wrap. If that was a sandwich, you probably wouldn't cut it in half, but because it's on the wrap, we'll cut it in half like that, like so. Then we'll get the other bit, put that on top. Right, then we've got our egg. We'll flip him up, plonk him on. And once again, to get all that ooziness out, we'll probably cut him in half, right? Ooze him on the plate, right? Move him around like so. There you go. That's Donnie's top tip, how to make a quick steak sandwich wrap. No tomato, no lettuce. It's still going to be beautiful and lovely. It'll fill the hole. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.